today on the eve of World Environment Day, and the theme of this International Environment Day is ecosystem restoration. So do you know ecosystem is the reciprocal relationship between living things and their environment, and this is the decade of from 2001 to 2030. That is the UN decade of environmental restoration, and we have 3R in this theme in this decade, which is reimagine the concept of ecosystem restoration and then recreate and then restore the ecosystem. For World Environment Day 21st, Pakistan is the host country and is celebrating a number of milestones like the Billion Tree Tsunami Drive and taking up a large voluntarily pledge under the Bond Challenge. And you can see such a beautiful environment. This is environment. Environment is the natural world around ourselves. For example, around me, this is all my environment. This is the natural world, and this is our moment. We cannot turn back time. In